Hi, this is Haysam, Seattle Engraving Center. Today we're going to show how to sharpen your engraver using your diamond wheel and rubber wheel, a yellow rubber wheel, under the microscope. So let's get started. Here's our diamond wheel, and here's our engraver. Now when you look in the engraver with a microscope, you can see where it's been chipped, and it's a little bit chunk of metal came off this engraver. So you put your diamond wheel against your body facing the engraver. Tilt the engraver with approximately 45-degree angle. Now if you notice, my hand that is holding the engraver are not moving. The hand holding the diamond wheel are the one is moving right and left, and that's easier to control it. There we go. As you can see, we took it off, and now it's ready to be sharpened with the yellow wheel for brightness, and it helped to give a bright cut. There's 3 steps for sharpening the engraver. First, we do the face of the engraver. Again, it's 45-degree angle, and you sharpen the face of the engraver. Then you start putting the heels, and that's about 15-degree, 30-degree angles this way and the other side, and then we give it a little bit of a heel on the front. So it seems to me, as you can see here, it bright one side of the engraver, not the other. That means my wheel are not even. So this wheel is not clean and need to be cleaned up. The easy way to do it, you get your diamond, it's a diamond wheel. You can find it any hardware store. And you just go put it into your rubber wheel, and you start cleaning it up a little bit. Now let's start one more time. Start to get better. There we go. Much better. and you can see now how it's very bright. It's almost like a mirror. Next step, start our healing. Tilt your hand a little bit, tilt the graver about 10-15 degree angle, and same way. And that's your end result. Very nice graver, ready to be used, and that should last you for a long time. It will give you a really nice bright cut as you engrave. Thank you for watching.